Brenda's ululating fiasco is a remarkable creature. Its mating display is a work of startling grace and beauty. As the males glide and twirl in a synchronized fashion, the female becomes fascinated and soon succumbs. At which point, the males set upon each other in a spectacle of gore and visceral violence more upsetting than any other in the animal kingdom. It often ends with the victor parading his opponent's entrails and spinal column as a sort of bloody trophy, often having forgotten the female in the process. It is a grotesque and savage event that cheapens all who witness it, but the dancing is quite nice.
There's no time to breathe. Just feel the breeze. It's the wind in your hair. It's the wind in your hair.